Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the volume mixer is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the audio service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Okay, now you need to scroll down to the Windows audio service. This list is in alphabetical order, so it will be easy to find. Right click on the Windows audio service and select restart. The next solution is to update the audio drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for audio outputs and audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. Right click on the third one and update drivers. Right click on the fourth one and update drivers and update all the drivers present there. The next solution will be to perform a clean boot on your system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. The final solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, scroll down to troubleshoot and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.